Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Santa's trophy on Bloxburg. So you're just going to go to the event plot and you're going to wait for Santa to disappear. He only will be able to disappear at around 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. So just be there at 9 and just wait until Santa disappears. Once he disappears from his chair, you are going to find him. You're going to try to find him, and he's gonna spawn anywhere in this map, so just be on the lookout. I tried to kind of like look to the sky and see where the Santa will drop. Like he'll drop like a present and you're just going to find it. I couldn't like really see it, but fortunately here my friend saw it. So we went there and well, I claimed the present because she already did the kind of like event. And yeah, I got the trophy. It's limited until the 20 something. I'll have to check again. It's from the 21st to 28th, 29th of December, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!